Hey everyone, my name is Sergey, and I'm the CEO of a company called Atlas. And actually, it's my 33rd birthday today. So yeah, happy birthday to me. Thank you. So let's start with the problem. All right. So the problem is that by the age of 50, half of the people in the audience will have 1 to 4 chronic conditions. All right, so this is a problem that everybody's kind of trying to fight right now. So there are multiple solutions to that. Like the easiest one probably is to, okay, well, we can go on and try to treat those as soon as they appear. And that leads to a lot of kind of consecutive issues like failures of care delivery, lack of care coordination or retreatment, many, many other things. Now, the solution we're after in the area that's called precision health or personalized medicine or preventative medicine is building up the ecosystem of what we call a preventative healthcare. So that starts with the novel technologies that have recently appeared, and I'm sure you've heard about like DNA sequencing for human genome, microbiome sequencing for the gut bacteria. That is something I'm going to touch upon. Medical data, wearables. All the data combined, all these different layers of information can actually help us better predict and then prevent the chronic diseases. Now, this is what we started with. So the first solution we launched in the market was the DNA test. And this is a product that's actually already on the market in Europe. That's like a direct-to-consumer kit that's based on saliva samples, which you just send out to the lab, and we analyze your genome and tell you a lot about your disease predispositions, carrier status for inherited diseases, and many, many other things. Now, this product was followed by the microbiome sequencing, and that is, to those of you who haven't heard it before, it's a gut bacteria that we got about a lot of them. Probably the best thing to kind of entertain you, I've prepared like a short cartoon movie to just watch instead of talking too much.
Lose or gain? What to eat? How to start the day fresh? Why does my mood change? Why am I sick? What is the meaning of life? Is milk healthy? Do you often ask these questions? Hi, nice to meet you, even though we've known each other for a long time, because I am you. I mean, I'm a microbe and I live inside you permanently, and there are 100 trillion of us. Together, we are your microbiome. You're probably wondering if that many bacteria is good or bad. Are we healthy or harmful? Well, let me put it this way. We're all different, and your health and wellness depend on the balance inside our bacterial community. What can the balance impact? Your sleepiness, creativity, inflammatory processes, mood, smell, immune system. And now your attention, please. We've arrived at the most important part. Food. Food is the factor that affects all of these things. We are what we eat, and we should take it seriously. To choose the right foods for you, meet your gut bacteria. Take the Atlas microbiome test, and we'll give you personal biofeedback about what foods to start eating to help us, your microbiome, perform better. It's simple. Order a test online, send in your biomaterial sample, and your microbiome will be ready for analysis. In the laboratory, scientists analyze all the information about your gut bacteria through DNA sequencing. Then you receive weekly food recommendations based on the results of Atlas's analysis. These foods will be rich in different types of dietary fiber, the exact fibers that your microbiome is missing. Follow the recommendations for 3 months and then take the test again. That's it. Our unique algorithm compares 2 portraits of your gut bacteria community and analyzes any changes. Then it updates your weekly food recommendations so you keep on receiving a list of foods to improve your well-being. That's all you need to do to make friends with your gut bacteria and help your body stay healthy. Take responsibility for your health. Order the Atlas microbiome test at atlasbiomed.com.
Yeah, everybody loves cartoons. Now, so let's talk about how this works. So that's all like very extremely simple from the consumer perspective. Basically, all you need to do is order the tests online. They get delivered at your doorstep. You send out the sample. It gets to the lab, analyzed, and you receive the actionable report. Now, the one thing we're really focusing on is here in this regard is the risk dynamics. So trying to analyze in a dynamic way the predispositions to certain conditions such as metabolic or chronic inflammatory diseases. few words about the business model. We work not only directly with the consumers, we're also being the medical device registered with the CIVD. We also work with hospitals and clinics all across Europe, and we also work with many and large nutritional companies that are into probiotics and prebiotics, and we're doing a lot of research with large brands like PepsiCo, for example. So the business started in CIS, in Russia eventually. So then we moved out the company to the UK. This is where we sell right now. We launched in 6 other countries across Europe. We're starting in Germany, France, Italy, and Spain September this year, and heading out to the North America early next year. So since the time we launched, we received plenty of media attention. And actually, in just the first quarter this year, we've hit a 6-digit revenue numbers in pounds. So we're kind of growing really fast. So we're recently signed an agreement with one of the largest retailers for organic food in London, that's Planet Organic. And we're showing a constant 20% monthly sales growth since August last year. So we're hitting bigger numbers every month. And yeah, I'm happy to talk to you about microbiome or DNA or personalized health. Come find me. Thanks.